All right, guys. So this is a 2022 Ford Maverick Lariat. This is a Lariat, uh, model, I guess. And I just recently had this issue where I cannot unlock my car by pushing the button or lock it. I have the key in my hand. Of course, you can do it, or you can do the intelligent access, is what it's called. Or literally, if you just put your hand, as long as the key's within reach. If I put my hand here, you should hear it unlock. There you go. So there you go. It works, of course, but it did not work. I'll show you how to fix it in the settings. I actually had a look in the forums and Facebook to find this out. So just turn on your car. Oops. There you go. Let me just turn it on. And from here, I'll show you how to do it. It's super easy now that I figured out how to do it. So what you want to do is you want to click the menu button. You'll see here, and you'll go up and down with this. So you want to go into your settings by clicking this down. So click the OK down. Take you to menu. Then what you want to do is go down to vehicle. Click OK. And of course, it's going to look something like this. So what you want to do is you want to go down to locks. And then you want to go right here where it says intelligent access, guys. So it's going to look like this when you first get to it. It's going to say auto unlock, feedback, miss lock, chirp. So what I thought was just by disabling this, turn it off, turn it back on, it was going to work. But no, you actually have to go down here to where it says intelligent access. You want to click the OK button. And what you want to do is you want to hold down to deactivate. So let's go ahead and hold it down. Deactivating it. So there you go. The deactivation is turned off, so now it will not work. So now what you want to do is it resets. So you want to hold it down again to activate. Activating complete. Activation complete, and that is it. Just click the back button, go all the way back. Get out of here. And there you go. Just turn off the car. And that is it, guys. You just reset your intelligent access, so now it will work. You'll hear it as long as it's within reach. If you push this down, and there you go, it locked. So that's how easy it is to fix, guys. Just in case anybody else has this issue. This is a 22 Maverick. It's a new one. Like I said, Larry, you saw I had about 6,000 miles on it, so it's not that old. So pretty cool, guys. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos your way, and thank you for the Maverick group on Facebook.